Hello, today we will guide you through how to use emojis in Slack. In this walkthrough, you'll learn two simple ways to use emojis: reacting to an existing message and adding emojis to a message you're about to send. Let's start by getting into the right place. Open Slack. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and navigate to the channel where you want to communicate. You can use the sidebar to find your channel or the search bar if it's not immediately visible. Once you're in the channel, you're ready to work with emojis. First, let's react to a message. Move your mouse over the message you want to acknowledge or respond to. As you hover, a small toolbar will appear near that message. Click the Add Reaction icon, which looks like a smiley face. This opens the emoji picker. You can browse by category, scroll to see popular or recently used options, or use the search field to quickly find a specific emoji. When you see the one that best matches what you want to say, maybe a thumbs up for agreement or a party popper for a win, click it. Your reaction will appear directly below the message, letting everyone know where you stand without sending a separate reply. If you want to add another reaction, simply hover again and repeat the process. Reactions are great for quick feedback and help keep channels tidy. Now let's add an emoji to a message you're composing. Go to the message box at the bottom of the channel. Click the emoji icon on the right side of the composer to open the picker again. Choose the emoji you want to include, and it will drop into your message at the cursor. You can add text before or after it and include multiple emojis if it fits your tone. When your message looks good, send it. The emoji will appear in line, adding clarity or personality to what you've written. A few helpful tips as you go. Use emojis to reinforce your message, like a check mark to confirm a task is done, or a light bulb to highlight an idea. Keep context in mind. In formal updates, choose clear professional options. If you're unsure what an emoji means, hover over it to see its name, and use the search bar to avoid scrolling. That's it. You've learned how to react to messages and how to insert emojis into your own posts in Slack. With these quick techniques, you'll communicate more clearly and keep conversations engaging without adding noise.